Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to block screenshots on the WhatsApp profile picture. Sometimes you may want to keep your WhatsApp profile picture private and prevent others from misusing it. While WhatsApp doesn't fully block screenshots, you can control who can see your profile picture. This helps protect your privacy and ensures only people you trust can view it. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage privacy, notifications, and other features. Now tap on Privacy. In this section, you can control who sees your personal information, such as last seen, status, and profile picture. Here, tap on Profile Photo. This option allows you to choose who can view your profile picture. Now tap on Nobody. By selecting Nobody, your profile picture will not be visible to anyone, including your contacts. This helps prevent strangers or even contacts from taking screenshots or misusing your image. Once done, you can go back and continue using WhatsApp, knowing that your profile picture is private and protected. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.